Hello, YouTube fam and friends. I just wanted to make a really quick video and let you know just how simple it is to make these biscuits that I already made a video about. But I decided that I wanted to make these at 3:30. By 5 o'clock, there it says 5:18, but by 5 o'clock they were done. And out of the amount that I made of dough, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. This one was a little special one because it was the leftover dough that I had. So that's what that one came out like. But it's not burnt. It's just a little darker. These are how the other ones came out, a little lighter. But it's that easy to make these biscuits. So if you want to know how, look back into my videos and you'll see the video for 2 ingredient biscuits. And it's seriously that simple. And one little issue I had today was I did run out of the whipping cream that I needed. Because I did 3 cups of flour, all purpose. I did 3 cups of self-rising flour. I wanted to make a few extra biscuits, so I added a half a cup more. When you do the 3 cups, you need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So with that half a cup, I knew I was going to need a little extra heavy whipping cream. I didn't have enough. So I put it into my mixer. I blended it all up. And which you could do this by hand as well. But I believe my video, I did it by hand. But anyway, I ended up running out of the heavy whipping cream. And believe it or not, they still came out great. I added just a little bit of whole milk. I kneaded my dough just a little bit and cut out my shapes. And this is what I got. So I'm telling you, it doesn't take any time at all to make these biscuits. And I encourage you to try. They're so simple and they're so delicious. Actually, my son told me that with the last batch I made, had I just added a little more butter, he said they would have tasted just like Popeye's biscuits. I don't know. I don't really eat Popeye's biscuits, but I took that as a big compliment. But I know I like them, and my whole family loves them, so give them a try. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you try this recipe. And please give me a thumbs up, even if you didn't like the video. It really does help me. Thanks so much, and thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day every time I post a video to watch my videos. It is truly appreciated. Thanks so much. Have a good day.